Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make spaghetti sauce better. First, always start with high-quality canned tomatoes, like San Marzano, for a naturally sweet base. Next, gently sauté finely diced onions and garlic in a generous amount of good olive oil until they are translucent and fragrant. This foundational step is crucial for developing a deep, savory flavor that will carry through your entire sauce. Don't rush this part. Patience here pays off. To truly enhance your sauce's flavor, consider adding fresh herbs like basil and oregano towards the end of cooking to preserve their vibrant taste. A small amount of red pepper flakes can introduce a pleasant warmth without making the sauce spicy. For an extra layer of richness, deglaze your pan with about 1/4 cup of dry red wine after sautéing your aromatics, letting it reduce before adding tomatoes. Achieving the perfect texture and richness is key. Allow your sauce to simmer gently for at least 30 minutes or even longer to let all the flavors fully meld and deepen. For a luxurious, silky finish, stir in a tablespoon of unsalted butter just before serving. If your tomatoes are a bit acidic, a pinch of sugar or a grated carrot can help balance the flavors beautifully, creating a well-rounded taste. For the ultimate spaghetti sauce, don't forget the finishing touches. Taste and adjust your seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper until it's just right. Stir in some freshly grated Parmesan or Pecorino Romano cheese for a wonderful umami boost. Finally, a drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil right before serving adds a lovely brightness and a smooth mouthfeel to your perfected sauce.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.